Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So yesterday I made a video talking about total 3 market cap, and this is on a 3-day chart. We can see the red candle building up. So this is the update for that. If we come on Bitcoin dominance chart, same thing, nothing really changed. Um, it is at resistance on the weekly chart. It can go right, it can make a wick towards this side like 64.79%, but that's what I'm seeing right now. So the interesting thing is this is USDT dominance chart. This is on daily. I want you to remember these dates, June 15 and 19th of July. That's where we can see a reversal in USDT dominance. So if I come on to the weekly, you will get a really good idea of what I'm talking about. So if you can see that USDT dominance was going up, and then from over here 16th of October we got this reversal towards the downside. We made two highs. This is much more like an equal high, but if we come right over here on the weekly, it suggests us that like RSI is oversold. So this is something which I want you to keep an eye on, because the RSI, stochastic RSI, is oversold and it's quite low, right? If you see, so if USDT dominance is gonna go up, that means correction is coming up. But this is what I want to compare it with this is why I want to compare it with the 3-day chart. So see this stochastic RSI is way too oversold, and that's why we can see like market is being red. And this looks like if we do not close above these levels, this resistance point, then we are good. We are most likely going to be making um, another divergence. So we can see this was the 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. So most likely we can make another high right over here towards this around 4.95. But this is, we have to see what's going on. But most likely, yes, sooner or later we are going to be getting this a move towards the upside on the USDT dominance. I repeat, when USDT dominance is gonna go up, market is gonna go red. This is easy peasy. So as you can see, this was the 1 touch, 2 touch, 3, and most likely we are going to be seeing this one going, touching at least this towards the 50 mark. If it goes above 50 mark, then yeah, things gonna look bad. That's what I have to say. But this is something which I have to talk to you about. You see this, why do I feel like it's gonna make another higher low right here? Is stochastic RSI is at 98. Okay, so this is one thing which makes me think that we can get this another higher low and then go back up. And that, if that happens, the USDT dominance is most likely going to be coming to this region around 4.27, and that will be very good for the alts and Bitcoin dominance. So that means if this scenario plays out and our Bitcoin dominance is gonna go down, and that means our alt season is going to be triggered. So this is on the daily, on the stochastic RSI. It's giving us some signs that we are at the resistance point. So most likely, if this scenario happens, our all season is going to get triggered. As for the Bitcoin, oh, Bitcoin is looking juicy at this point right here. Mm, it, I really want to see how this weekly candle is gonna be closing, and it's gonna be closing around this region, but it's still 3 hours left almost. It will be very interesting to see how this performs, because if we get a pump later, just right at the end of the day, which is also going to be a weekly closing, that means like we are going to be going up way too quick. Otherwise, we can test the moving average 20 and then go up from there. But that's what I'm thinking right now. One coin which I'm actually looking and mentioned in my Discord. The Discord link is going to be in the description if you want to add and join the group. It's completely free right now. This is on the 3-day chart, but if I look at the lower time frames, yep. So right now on the hourly, we were getting this divergence, bullish divergence right over here. So that's why I'm quite. It's gonna be interesting to see how this action is gonna play out. But this looks good actually. Yes, this looks good. We can see these levels like around this region, but wait for your entries. Try to look on the lower time frames how it's playing out. But yes, XCN looks good and showing strength overall right now. So whatever the coins showing strength against BTC when BTC is correcting, keep an eye on it. And XCN is one of those coins. I've been monitoring it and it has been performing quite well. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.